Hi, this is Burks Nora, the financier of the American dream of homeownership with Prime Lending, here to talk to you about how to quickly get your credit established or re-established if need be. Now, if you don't have credit currently or have credit that's terrible, I'm pretty sure you get denied a credit card if you want to apply for one right now. However, I have a solution for you to be able to get your very own secured credit card with a $300 deposit or more, regardless of your credit history. The $300 deposit, up to $5,000, will allow you to get a credit card for that limit. Now the trick here is that you will use this card for the times you normally pay anything for, whether it's for gas, grocery shopping, bill payments, or whatever. Just use this credit card to pay for those items and then pay it off right away. This will help you to get your credit history established to the point where you can end up getting a normal, unsecured credit card. Now, getting this credit card has helped many of my clients get their credit score from nothing to over 640, which would qualify them to be able to obtain a down payment assistance program for a home loan. To learn more, or to get started, feel free to call, text, or email me.